Hello, my musical friends. In the first video of this 4-part series, I showed you how to warm up by humming and singing a movable scale. In the second video, I showed you how to move that scale up and down the fretboard to increase your range. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sing that scale with vowel sounds. So I'm going to play a movable scale. It's a C major scale, and I am going to sing the vowel sounds. You all know the 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. When you sing vowel sounds, you can hold and extend those notes. They open up the singer's voice. They can relax the throat. Here's an example of consonants. Consonants are very difficult to sing. Basically, what you have to do is sing the consonants as little as possible in order to enunciate the word, but then hold the vowels in order to be singing that word. Take the D sound. D is a consonant. When you say D, you're closing your whole mouth, you're putting your tongue just up at the roof of your mouth by the back of your teeth, and you're making a very sharp sound, da. You can't sing that. So what you do is, to enunciate, say the word dog, like honey here, you say the D and the G very quickly, but then the O sound, you hold that. Dog, dog. This is why the vowels are so important. So let's practice some vowels. If I'm doing the C scale, you can do the high C scale that I showed you if you have a much higher voice than I do. I can do the G scale, I'll do the G scale, and then if you have a higher voice, you can do a higher G scale. They will sound the same other than just being an octave different. A C major scale, and I will move that up the fretboard. Let me show you how to do that on the G scale. In the fourth and final video of this series, it's going to bridge that gap between simply memorizing and learning scales and making music. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If there's anything that I've left out or any questions you have, put them in the comments down below and I will answer your questions. Thanks.